Wipe, flush, repeat. Wipe, flush, repeat. This is probably your poop routine, right? Until the most life-changing bidet of your life, which is when you ditch the TP and start washing your butt with the bidet. When you're trying to choose between an attachment or an electric bidet seat, shit can get a little confusing. So I hope your toilet water's clean today because we're diving into the different type of ass blasters and which one might be best for you. Hi everybody, I'm Carrie, your Tushy enthusiast and better booty advocate. Before I start on the comparisons, what are bidets? For anyone who doesn't know, here's a refresher. Bidets are personal hygiene butt showers that gently wash your booty hole in privates with a targeted stream of fresh water. With a bidet, gone are the days of wiping and wiping and wiping and then walking around not knowing if you're actually clean or not. Plus, it's better for your health, hygiene, wallet, and the environment. To put it simply, bidets are the better and more assiduous way to clean up after a good old number 2. No toilet paper or wipes needed. And as a longtime bidet user myself, I will never ever go back to just using TP after pooping. If you're not convinced yet, go check out our video, 10 Reasons to Wash with a Bidet. It's linked in the description. Alright, so there are entire bidets that cost thousands of dollars and have to be specially installed, but there are also affordable electric bidet seats and bidet attachments that can be pretty much installed by anyone and on all standard toilets. And those are the 2 types of bidets that I'll be covering today. If you're curious about the installation process for bidets, go check out our step-by-step tutorials on our channel. Let's start with bidet attachments. Bidet attachments are bidets that easily attach to any standard toilet between the toilet seat and the toilet bowl. They function without any electricity and allow you to control the pressure of the stream and the angle of the spray. Some models even let you control the temperature of the water, like our Tushy Spa 3.0 model. Okay, so bidet attachments connect to the water supply behind your toilet, so the water that's cleaning your bum from the specialized nozzle is tap water and it's completely clean and sanitary, just like the water that you wash your face with and you brush your teeth with. So the Tushy 3.0 bidet attachment is the sleekest and most popular bidet attachment on the market. And in addition to all the main features that I mentioned earlier, the nozzle self-cleans before and after each spray. So have no fear if you have a messy poop. The Tushy 3.0 comes in the Classic and Spa model. So the Classic has pressure and angle control, while the Tushy Spa 3.0 has the additional temperature control. So the Classic is a cult classic and is actually the most popular bidet model, and it always gets the job done clean and simple. The Spa model is a super duper pooper nice option for anyone who has a more sensitive booty or wants the choice between cool or warm water. I mean, who doesn't love options? You can check out our video comparing the Tushy Classic and the Tushy Spa if you want a more in-depth analysis on which one might be better for you. We also have a video on how to use bidets, so definitely check that out if you're interested. It's linked in the description like all the other videos I'll mention today. Also, we create videos each week on bidets, gut, butt, and poop health, so make sure to subscribe, hit that bell so you don't miss any of the poop scoop. Okay, but what if you're interested in a more luxurious, fully automated experience? That's where the electric bidet seat comes in, which are more than just an attachment. They're an entire system, including the seat. Apologies for all the ass puns today, but bidet seats are truly a fantastic experience, fit for royalty. Sitting on one is pure opulence, or should I say, opulence. The Tushy Ace is Tushy's newest bidet, and it's a full electric bidet seat. All you need to have is a 3-prong outlet to plug into, and it completely replaces the seat and the lid on your toilet, since the Ace is the seat and the lid. It also comes with a sleek remote control that controls 5 different levels for water pressure, washing angle, seat temperature, water temperature, and drying. Yes, you heard me right. There's a heated seat and a blow dryer for your ass. One thing that I love about the bidet seat is the front and back wash angles. The Ace makes it easy for people with vaginas to freshen up during our periods or before and after sex. There's also an oscillating massage feature on the nozzle, so you can get a massage on your bum hole and a spotless clean on and around your hole. To learn more about how bidets are the best way to clean your vagina and vulva, check out our other videos. We also have a video that goes in depth on the Ace if you want to learn more. I know that many new bidet users also have questions around how to dry after using a bidet, and of course, we have a video on that as well. Both bidets are awesome options, but which one should you choose? No matter what, your life and your behind will be changed because gone are the days of wiping your butt with harsh, dry toilet paper. But let me give you a few things to consider when you're deciding which bidet is right for you. If you're looking for the most simple bidet for doing the do and then cleaning the shit up, the Tushy 3.0 Classic Bidet is a great option. It's the most affordable bidet attachment from Tushy to get the job done, clean and simple. And the Classic only takes about 10 minutes to install. The Spa 3.0 is great for people who enjoy the simple things in life, but also love warm laundry, a little snuggle sesh, or a warm bath. It's the perfect match for anyone who has a sensitive butthole, especially if you have issues like hemorrhoids or anal fissures. And it's great for people who are pregnant or postpartum because you can control the temperature of the water. If you suffer from booty issues like hemorrhoids or anal fissures, we also have helpful videos with home treatments. Both videos are in our gut health playlist. And if you spend a ton of time on the toilet and need a little more assistance with getting dry, or just want a more extravagant or luxurious experience overall, the Ace is gonna be your best bet for your best butt. The number of features and the level of control and personalization of this electric bidet seat is something you'll definitely want to consider. It's great for the ultra-sensitive behind or anyone who wants an oscillating massage or a front wash. I do want to clarify that the Tushy 3.0 Classic and Spa attachments also can be used for front wash. All you need to do is manually adjust the angle, or you can just prop your butt back. So now that you know so much about bidets, what are you waiting for? Let's get to washing our butts together. Okay, well, maybe not like together, but you know what I mean. Head over to HelloTushy.com/vlog if you're ready to make your choice. Or comment below if you have further questions about the differences and which one would be right for you. If this video helped you understand your bidet options, give it a thumbs up, subscribe, and hit the bell so you never miss out on any of the poop scoop. Thank you all so much for watching. Seriously, thank you. See you guys next time, and happy pooping!